Hey, what's going on, guys? Calvin here. And having a good morning. Hope y'all morning as well. In this video, pretty much want to go over is my econ review. Want to go over my econ, show you through the back office and what's available to you once you join my econ. Alright. I am recording the screen and internet. Well, not internet, but my computer runs a little slower when I'm recording the screen, so just bear with me, guys, alright? So, this is my econ, alright? It's a personal financial success company, alright? The good thing about this platform is there's not too many personal finance platforms that teach you how to get your finances on track, okay? With my econ, not only will you learn how to make money, you actually learn how to keep more of it, okay? You learn how to minimize taxes, how to adjust your W-4s to where you can bring home more income from work without going up the same at the end of the year, okay? Actually, let me just go through the products here. Okay, these are personal MyEcon products, okay? And these are the products that you get access to once you become a member. Alright. Alright, you have ID Defender. Everybody know what that is, alright? Smart credit system. The ID Defender pretty much protects your identity, okay? From people accessing your credit file or trying to steal your identity to ruin your credit file or ruin your life, alright? Smart credit system. Smart credit system pretty much teaches you how to repair your credit, how to communicate with the credit bureaus, how to understand your credit report, how to understand your credit ratio or your credit utilization, how much credit you're using. And that's the smart credit system, okay? Which includes the 750 credit plan, alright? 26 step-by-step how to repair your credit videos, alright? Dispute letters, alright? You don't have to worry about trying to figure out what you are right. Get the dispute letters, alright? How to reestablish new credit. Income shifting strategies to eliminate debt. You actually get these tools to use, alright? Income shifting is interesting, alright? This is how it actually looks. The back office, you actually get step-by-step monitoring, okay? Alright, then the dispute letters, and the video tell you which to use at which time, you know? So, now, when you have access to MyEcon, you can promote these products. Some people just want what they want. So if they didn't want, if a person just said, I don't want everything, I just want the smart credit system. You don't want to pay the $34.95 a month. You just want a one-time payment. This is it, okay? You pay $99, get access, no monthly payments, no nothing, okay? Cash flow manager to track your expenses and income. You can book travel. healthy nutrition. I really haven't been through the healthy nutrition yet, so I really can't tell you much about that. The credit monitor to monitor your credit. Roadside assistance. Alright, the cashback mall. Cashback mall is big. Alright, get cash back from many places that you shop. JC Penney, Macy's, and some of everything. Okay. I'm trying to keep this video short. Well, my internet running like it is very typical. So, actually, let me just go in now, and I'll show you around the back office. Try to keep this short. All right, this is your back office. All right, everything you need is here. Your quick start orientation, your tools that you get, messages you may receive from MyEcon. I haven't really been in the mobile apps yet, but here's your smart credit system, your discount travel, your cashback mall. They do lives, buy trainings, your training center, and income shifting membership. Excuse me. Which in the econ, this is really your smart credit system manager, cash flow manager, and discount travel. Alright, that's the income shifting membership. Okay, you come to your training center. Everything is well organized. You'll be able to find everything around here. The MyEcon training videos. Okay. And I really like MyEcon because, like I said, there's not really many platforms that teach you finance. Okay, they don't teach you finance in school. All right, so a lot of people, they know how to make money. Yes, they do, but they don't know how to keep it. All right. Other quick start modules you have access to: closing a deal, pick and pass, make a prospect list, increase your cash flow strategies. There's so much value in here for $35 a month. All right, and I would definitely recommend anyone that would like to repair their credit, be able to earn an income. I definitely recommend that you all join MyEcon personal financial success system or success company. Okay. Next, I'll cover the online marketing system that you can purchase with MyEcon to promote your business. But that is pretty much it, guys. Is straight into the point. Okay. This is everything you get in your back office. This is like my third day. I'm getting to know my products and getting to learn how to move around the system, getting to feel of what I can use and what I can't use at the moment. I mean, you get access to everything, but you don't want to bog yourself down with information overload. Okay, so you just start here and go from there. Don't overload yourself. Take small steps, one thing at a time, and you'll eventually get there. But in order to get there, you have to at least start. Okay? You don't have to be great to start, but you have to start to be great. All right? This is Kelvin Rogers, guys. I hope you enjoyed MyEcon overview. If you decide to join MyEcon team, right below this video, there is a link where you're able to join me, and it should say your sponsor is Kelvin Rogers. Click that link. You have my contact info. Contact me, let me know you joined, and we get you going in the right direction. Okay. Again, guys, thank you for stopping by. This is Kelvin Rogers, and if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel because I will be making more videos, and I don't want you to miss, what I have to share. All right. Thank you guys. Take care, and I'll see you on the team.